Hello guys, Leva here. Today I decided to talk about a newly trending product, Profit Alliance. This guy, Ben, who made over $78,767 in the last 90 days. And this guy, Naidi, who made around $2,000 in just 4 days. The last one, the guy named who John, made around $13,905. Absolute nothing. So, making money using Profit Alliance is possible. Let us overview this product and I'm gonna show you how this software works. Before I start, this Profit Alliance is only available on the official website. To make your search easier, I give the official link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. Let's get started. Well, Profit Alliance is by Michael, a successful affiliate marketer who gonna show you a whole new way to grow your income rapidly fast. He gonna reveal the secret of his 8,620 per day work from home information business to you in this software. In this Profit Alliance, Michael gonna teach you learn why 95% of the entrepreneurs don't make money and how the Profit Alliance is the ultimate solution to start and run a massive successful side business. And the second thing, he gonna show you discover where the real money is hidden online and exactly how to tap into it within his top secret list of hidden communities. And the next module, he gonna reveal you learn his proprietary reversal funnel system that flips the entire guru model on its head and puts the profit back into your pocket instead of making guru richer. The product to my link, you can get a 6 awesome bonuses. So bonus number 1, 5-day fast start video series, and bonus number 2, you can get a lucrative list calculator, opt-ins, clicks, opens, opt-in rates. Bonus number 3, live onboarding session, and bonus number 4, 5 days fast start guide, and bonus number 5, exclusive Profit Alliance Facebook proof, and the last one, bonus number 6, ultimate accountability system. Here are the everything you need to get ordered. Profit Alliance is just so the value for this product, the total cost of the Profit Alliance is just $9.95. You can get a full step-by-step guidance from Mike to how to go to sales, how to make a purchase, each and everything. But is the limited time offer. If you want to buy this product, go ahead and check it out. The link in the description. And buy the product. That's it, guys. Have fun. Have a great week.